Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Randy Talley made a request in the comments for Cummins. Thank you, Randy Talley, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Cummins is a Fortune 500 company within the specialty industrial machinery industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.5%. Earnings growth, 12.2%. Earnings estimates, 10.72%. Return on capital, 17.49%. Debt to free cash flow, 4.38 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.81%. Payout ratio, 38.38%. Growth rate, 7.07%. Growth years, 3 years. That gives Cummins 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Cummins is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Cummins in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.